वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू गाइस ऑल आर डूइंग वेल एंड यू आर सेफ। तो आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी टाइटल देख के पता चल गया होगा कि आज इस वीडियो में मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ। मैंने कभी इस टाइप की कोई भी वीडियो नहीं बनाया इस चैनल पे, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम। बेसिकली आई हैव सम कोरियन चिंगूज एंड उन लोगों के साथ मेरा ऑल डे बात होती रहती है। When I was talking to one of my Korean friends, she was just talking about a man whose name is Oli London, and she told me to make a reaction video on Oli London. Also, she suggested me one video which is Christmas in Korea, the song of Oli London. So I am going to do a reaction video on this. So without any further discussion, let's get into the video. So basically before this, I only knew that Oli London had a plastic surgery just to look like the K-pop idol Park Jimin, and he really likes Park Jimin, the BTS member Park Jimin, and I guess he is a singer, that's it. And for that I did my own research just to know about Oli London, and I asked Google that tell me about the person Oli London. So Google told me that Oli London is a 30-year-old social media influencer who lives in the UK. He is a BTS super fan and has spent over $150,000 on plastic surgery to try and look like his idol Park Jimin. But just you guys see how he is looking like. I don't know, Oli London, how did you feel after seeing your look after the surgery? But I can suggest you one thing. Instead of getting those nose, you could get a flat nose so that you will exactly look like Lord Voldemort. Now let's move on to the video, Christmas in Korea. I'm going to play this video. So yes. I really don't know what he is trying to say basically, because I know a bit Korean language and I am not able to understand what is he saying. Oh my god! Okay, so Oli London, please don't tell that you look like exactly Park Jimin. It's wrong, you don't look like Park Jimin. Okay, so I'm trying to understand the lyrics. I am just understanding some words like this. I don't know why. Like, he is not properly pronouncing the sentences. Like, he is not. So how could I understand? Okay, I just want to know who did his makeup. I mean, who is the makeup artist did his awful makeup? It's not even in Korea. He didn't shoot the video in Korea. Okay, so I'm an Indian and I'm trying to learn Korean language, and when I see any Korean language videos without subtitles, I can understand that what he is trying to say. But here I mean, Oli London, if you really love Korea and Korean language, Korean culture, then you should not make a joke about this. Like, if you can't speak Korean language properly, then at least learn it first and then try to speak it. If like you are just posting a video in any kind of social media, it's a platform. YouTube is a big platform, so you should learn basic Korean, how to pronounce Korean language, then you should say it. I can't even understand his English. No time for broken heart. That's all I understand. Christmas in Korea. That's it. Basically, he needed someone who could sing actually, because he can't sing. Oli London can't sing. That's why he brought someone who could sing. The graphics, bapre bap. Oli London's awful makeup. My goodness. I mean, Oli London, I really want to say you that if you really love Korea, Korean culture, Korean language, of course, I also love Korea, Korean culture and their language. You should at least learn the basic language, the pronunciation, and you should try to speak properly. Don't make a joke of any language, of any culture like this. And please don't use Park Jimin, BTS, these words and their name, their face, just to get some fame from the people. You are just getting like awful attention. You can see in the video, you can just see in the video. I am showing you guys here. You can see the video, or if you search the video like Christmas in Korea, you will see that views is 1.7 million and the like is 18k and the dislike. It's normal. It's like each and everyone who is watching this video, I'm not even liking, I'm not even disliking it, because it's really awful. It's really awful. But don't even try to say that you are looking like Park Jimin, because you are not. I'm already offended, because I really love South Korea. I have so many Korean friends. I really want to go there and a lot, and I really love BTS, Park Jimin, everyone. So I just don't want to do it. But Oli London, you should understand that you are you. You are Oli London, and Park Jimin is a different person. He is Park Jimin. You can't be him. So don't try to do this kind of things. It's really awful. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And if you want me to make more reaction videos of any different person, then do let me know that in the comment section below, so that I can make more videos like this in this channel. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the notification button to get notified. I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Bye.